In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add recent follower to Streamlabs. So go ahead and launch your Streamlabs and select a scene, and then under sources click on this plus icon. Select here widget. In widget list you have to select stream level and click on add source, and here I'm typing recent follower and clicking on add source, and level type, click on this drop down, and in here you have to scroll down and find out the follower section. So here's the follower section. Under follower section, here you'll find most recent follower. Just select it, and then level template, you can change the template here. I'm going to leave as it is, and here use Google font. You can use Google font from here, or you can just manually change your level font family from here, just like this. So go ahead and customize your level font style family from here. So once you successfully customized, click on done, and then your recent follower widget will appear in here. So currently I don't have any recent followers, so here we can't see any follower here. So this is how we can actually add recent follower in Streamlabs.